What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. Know I've been gone for about a week or two, man. More like 2 weeks. But not gonna lie, police presence has been super heavy down here. These boys are invested in drones and all type of other shit, man. I ain't neglecting y'all boys. I ain't dropped in the middle. Know y'all want to see some more content, man. But we're just gonna do a little POV drive. We don't go too crazy because they everywhere. We literally might see one in this video. For all my new people that's watching, man, this is my 2022 Scat Pack, man. It is tuned on 93, engine tune and transmission tune. I am Catless, cold air intake. Y'all know we can't forget about the little Warren start. This is a Warren start. I have been driving for a little minute. Catch y'all boys in the whoop, man. Telling y'all boys, but it's tuned. Oh my god, I'm gonna keep telling y'all boys every video, bro. If you got a Scat, RT, whatever, SS50, bro, tune that bit, bro. Especially that transmission tune make a big difference, bro. A little 40 roll. Hold on. Let's get over this hill real quick. I'm gonna do a little 40. Can't do it because curves are coming up, but I give y'all boys some exhaust. Gonna be curvy right here. I'm having to hit these back roads for y'all because police just too heavy. Police ain't on bad roads. Big ass deal right here. Oh my god. They need to fix that shit. tried to get loose on that. I tried to get loose right there, y'all, boy, but that car was coming. Y'all, boy, we finna go right. I'm trying to go wherever the traffic ain't. Wait, we going this way. My best bet is bending through neighborhoods. I'm not gonna be able to hit that street. Oh, y'all won't see 392 no more. I'm trying to avoid them at all costs. Come on, let's do it. Come on, let's do it. Get out of the way. Woo-hoo-hoo. But it be feel like it's living up on the ground. Oh my God. Oh my God. Shit. This bitch excite me every day. And I'd had this bitch. Oh, look. Told y'all, boys. Told y'all. I told y'all. What I tell y'all, boys think I was lying. I told y'all we might see a sheriff or police in this video. And boom, there go the first one. There go the first one. We will see another one. I'm telling y'all, boys, I'm not trying to get booked, bro. I'm not trying to go. These boys got them drones in the sky. I was on Facebook the other day. A dude said a drone mailed him a ticket. No, I'm not, boy, I'm not paying no ticket from no drone. A lot of people was asking me why I ain't get pots and the little pots and bourbons like that. I ain't gonna lie, I really don't particularly like the pots and loud bangs. As y'all just heard, my car already do that. My car was already popping and burbling before the tune anyway. I just don't like, me personally, it just ain't my preference, bro. I went for more performance than pops and bangs and all that. So somebody had asked me why I ain't get that. There you go, right there. I really don't care for it for real like that. And I know with some tunes you can turn it on and off, but I really just didn't want the pops and bang for real. I wanted straight performance, and I really don't care for it. So, you know, that's everybody's personal opinion. I know a lot of people like the pops and the bourbons and all that, but I don't. I'm really not a fan of it. I ain't gonna lie. Police station right here, we gotta chill. I said police right here, and I still hit the gas. It be hard trying to drive that car regular, bro. That's what a lot of people don't realize. You put a Scat or a Cat in anybody's hands, bro, I'm telling you, they gonna be hitting that bitch. get up out of there. I'm done, y'all, boy. I'm done. I'm done for these boys get me. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hype the video. Do all that, man. Y'all know what to do. Until next time, I'm gone, man.